Murata's Type 2 GF small and high-performance module provides 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi with Bluetooth 5.4 for industrial IoT, smart home, audio, video, voice, smart TV, and gateway applications. Based on the Infineon CYW43022 combo chipset, the Type 2 GF module supports 78 megabits per second PHY data rates on Wi-Fi, 3 megabits per second PHY data rates on Bluetooth, and 2 megabits per second LE-PHY. The Type 2 GF module implements enhanced collaborative coexistence hardware mechanisms and algorithms for maximum WLAN and Bluetooth performance, including a secure digital input-output interface for WLAN and a high-speed 4-wire UART interface supported by Bluetooth. The compact surface-mount shielded resin module features a small shielded form factor available in tape and reel packing that is RoHS compliant.